wondered how to remove mascara without makeup remover? It's not just a matter of convenience, but an essential part of skin health. Mascara, if not removed before bedtime, can clog pores and lead to eye irritation. But what if you run out of your traditional makeup remover? Well, we're here to introduce you to some handy alternatives. The good news is, there are simple methods you can use right now, with items you probably already have at home. One common household item that can effectively remove mascara is petroleum jelly. This unsung hero of the beauty world can do more than just soothe chapped lips or dry skin. It's also a fantastic, gentle alternative to commercial makeup removers. Here's the process. Start by scooping out a small, pea-sized amount of petroleum jelly. You don't need much. Now gently apply this to your lashes. Be careful here. You want to avoid getting the jelly in your eyes. Take your time and ensure you've coated each lash with a thin layer of the jelly. Next, lightly massage the jelly into your lashes. This helps to break down the mascara, making it easier to remove. Once you've done that, take a clean cloth or cotton ball and gently wipe off the petroleum jelly. You'll see that the mascara comes off with it, leaving your lashes clean and conditioned. So that's how you can use petroleum jelly to remove mascara without the need for a traditional makeup remover. Another great alternative for removing mascara is olive oil. Often found in most households, this natural product is not only great for cooking, but it also serves as a gentle and effective makeup remover. To begin, soak a cotton ball in a small amount of olive oil. You don't need too much, just enough to dampen the cotton. Then with your eyes closed, gently press the soaked cotton ball against your lashes. Hold it there for a few seconds. This gives the oil enough time to break down the mascara. Next, carefully wipe off the mascara. You'll notice it comes off easily, without any harsh rubbing. Remember, the skin around your eyes is delicate, so always be gentle. Lastly, it's important to rinse your eyes with warm water. This step ensures any residual oil is removed, leaving your eyes clean and refreshed. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to remove mascara using olive oil. So, to quickly recap, we've explored two simple yet effective ways to remove mascara without makeup remover. First, we used the humble petroleum jelly, applied gently with a cotton ball. Then, we saw how olive oil can be a natural and nourishing alternative. Remember, it's crucial to remove mascara before bed to maintain healthy skin and prevent eye irritation. With these easy methods, you'll never be stuck with stubborn mascara again. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks.